concepts for the Model 2 have emerged, designated as Design A and Design B. Presently, public sentiment indicates a preference for Design A, which embodies a minimalist yet sophisticated aesthetic. Tesla's design philosophy underscores the principles of simplicity and luxury. However, this presents challenges in devising a budget-friendly vehicle such as the Model 2. The core challenge resides in finding an equilibrium between cost efficiency and the maintenance of superior quality. The type of battery selected for the Model 2 remains a subject of deliberation, with options including aluminum-ion or lithium iron phosphate (LFP) batteries. The decision in this regard will substantially influence both the vehicle's range and its overall affordability. In the context of the burgeoning market for affordable electric vehicles, Tesla confronts heightened competition, notably from Chinese manufacturers such as BYD. This competitive landscape has intensified the imperative for a mass-market vehicle. The development of the Model 2 necessitates considerable investment in cutting-edge manufacturing technologies and the integration of standardized components. This strategic approach aims to diminish production costs while upholding quality standards. Despite its anticipated low price point, the Model 2 is required to comply with stringent safety regulations and performance criteria. Such compliance is crucial for ensuring its competitive stance against existing models in the market. The financial ramifications of not establishing new factories are critical for Tesla, particularly in light of the imminent expiration of the federal tax credit. This fiscal pressure underscores the urgency for maintaining competitive pricing. The design framework of the Model 2 must prioritize simplicity and quality to circumvent perceptions of cheapness, thus posing a unique challenge to Tesla's engineering teams. Achieving this equilibrium is vital to preserving the brand's established luxury image. Amidst growing competition from entities such as BYD, it is imperative for Tesla to innovate expeditiously to uphold its market share. The Model 2 signifies Tesla's foray into the affordable electric vehicle segment, targeting a broader demographic of consumers. To facilitate a substantially lower price point, Tesla has implemented reductions in numerous features, materials, and performance parameters, which may influence the premium experience traditionally associated with the brand. The Model 2 is fundamentally a more basic iteration of the Model Y, which raises questions regarding Tesla's ongoing commitment to innovation and pioneering design principles. Despite the inherent risks, the Model 2 possesses the potential to emerge as Tesla's highest-selling model, thereby solidifying its position within the affordable electric vehicle market and furthering the agenda of mass electrification. Posits that this affordable model could surpass sales of Tesla's existing offerings, including the Model 3 and Model Y combined, thereby instigating a transformation within the electric vehicle market. Projections indicate high production rates to satisfy the anticipated demand. Initial disclosures from Giga Texas imply that the forthcoming Model 2 signifies a pivotal shift in Tesla's strategic focus, emphasizing the development of more affordable vehicle options aimed at a broader consumer base. As the competitive landscape intensifies, companies such as BYD introduce electric vehicles at more accessible price points, compelling Tesla to innovate and adapt its pricing strategy to maintain its market share. The Model 2 is expected to generate substantial pre-orders, attributable to its competitive pricing when juxtaposed with other electric vehicles, particularly those from BYD. This shift also signals a recalibration in Tesla's overall market strategy. Elon Musk underscores the significance of a distinctive design for the Model 2, which will set it apart from the Model 3 and Model Y while adhering to a minimalist aesthetic. Responses to the Model 2 announcement have been varied. Some stakeholders express skepticism regarding potential compromises on quality, while others anticipate the introduction of a more economically accessible Tesla option. The Model 2 incorporates a fully integrated Giga casting structure designed to minimize seams and enhance aerodynamics, thereby producing a clean, modern exterior ideally suited for urban environments. In prioritizing practicality, Tesla selects a conventional four-door framework with redesigned hinges and optimized gaps, favoring functionality over extravagant features such as Falcon Wing doors. This decision aligns with the needs of the mass market. Despite its affordability, Tesla aspires to provide a premium experience by meticulously addressing details such as noise insulation and door feel, thereby reaffirming its commitment to quality in the Model 2. The Model 2 will showcase simplified interiors, including fabric seats without heating and reduced sound insulation, which may affect passenger comfort. This design choice embodies Tesla's focus on cost-effectiveness. Reports indicate that Tesla is transitioning towards aluminum-ion batteries, which may provide expedited charging times and reduced costs, thereby potentially revolutionizing its vehicle lineup. This transition is significant as it mitigates the reliance on lithium. The formidable competition within the electric vehicle market, particularly from Chinese manufacturers, propels Tesla to innovate and streamline costs, with aspirations for achieving a price point of $14,999 that underscores the necessity for operational efficiency. Aluminum ions possess a triple positive charge, facilitating more rapid and efficient energy transfer within the battery. This characteristic is vital for enhancing overall battery performance. The energy density of aluminum-ion batteries can achieve levels up to 500 watt-hours per kilogram, which is substantially greater than that of current lithium-ion batteries. This advancement could significantly improve range and efficiency in various applications. Furthermore, aluminum is markedly more abundant than lithium, offering notable cost advantages in future battery production. This could pave the way for more affordable electric vehicles and broader adoption of battery technology. Pricing of the Model Y standard has left many customers questioning its value, especially when higher-tier models provide more appealing features. This sentiment has contributed to a disappointing sales performance. Elon Musk's goal of creating a more affordable Tesla has garnered significant anticipation, as consumers expect a vehicle that not only meets but exceeds the affordability standards prevalent in today's market. The soon-to-be-released Model 2 is rumored to feature a distinctive hatchback design, setting it apart from existing models. It will employ cutting-edge battery technology to ensure competitive pricing. The Xinqiang 2 battery offers notable enhancements in energy density and charging speed when compared to traditional LFP batteries. This innovation is vital for extending the driving range of Tesla models and competing effectively within the electric vehicle market. Tesla's production process for the Model 2 utilizes giga-casting technology, enabling a streamlined body structure that reduces both production complexity and costs. This efficiency is essential for delivering lower prices to consumers. The design of the Model 2 emphasizes practicality over extravagant features, featuring a conventional four-door layout that enhances usability. This focus reflects Tesla's commitment to meeting the everyday needs of mainstream consumers. The new infotainment screen in the Model 2 will be smaller yet equipped with fast processing capabilities to ensure a smooth user experience. This adjustment aims to reduce costs while still providing essential functionalities. Tesla intends to manufacture the Model 2 at its Fremont facility, which allows for better oversight and quick modifications during production. This strategy capitalizes on the factory's extensive expertise with small and mid-size vehicles. The Tesla Model 2 is strategically positioned to meet the growing demand for an affordable and innovative vehicle, with expectations for its unveiling set for the second quarter of next year. Starlink provides global coverage through a network of low Earth orbit satellites, offering internet access in almost any outdoor location. This capability is crucial for regions lacking reliable cellular signals. Tesla's innovative design incorporates RF transparent materials in the vehicle's roof to ensure optimal satellite signal reception. This approach not only enhances connectivity but also maintains the vehicle's aesthetic appeal. By integrating Starlink, Tesla aims to bolster vehicle safety through dependable connectivity during emergencies. Such capabilities could potentially save lives by enabling real-time location tracking in critical situations. Tesla's early embrace of satellite internet technology offers a competitive advantage in the automotive industry, shaping consumer preferences for connected vehicles. Other manufacturers must adapt quickly to keep pace. Real-world testing of the Cybercab signals Tesla's robust progress toward deploying autonomous vehicles, underscoring the company's commitment to innovation and adherence to safety standards. The regulatory hurdles faced by the Cybercab illustrate the complexities associated with introducing fully autonomous vehicles into the marketplace. Tesla actively collaborates with regulators to pave the way for future advancements in self-driving technology. Tesla's evolution in self-driving technology has demonstrated considerable advancement over the years, with the robotaxi providing invaluable real-world data to refine its systems. This contrasts sharply with Optimus, which lacks similar operational data. Expectations for the Optimus project soared following its reveal, leading to comparisons with fictional robots. This creates immense pressure and heightened scrutiny regarding its development and overall performance. The skepticism surrounding Optimus reflects broader societal concerns about job displacement and the implications of humanoid robots, complicating public acceptance of this emerging technology. The production version of the Tesla Semi incorporates significant design improvements, including a more aerodynamic front end and enhanced headlights for better visibility. These updates aim to increase the truck's appeal to drivers. With a lower drag coefficient, the Tesla Semi is engineered to enhance energy efficiency and extend travel range per charge, positioning it as a formidable competitor to traditional diesel trucks. DHL's evaluation of the Tesla Semi has showcased its efficiency in completing long-haul trips, prompting plans for additional orders and significantly reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Electric trucks demonstrate notably faster arrival times compared to their diesel counterparts, showcasing superior speed and efficiency on long journeys. This advantage is particularly pronounced in hilly terrains. Although the initial purchase price of a Tesla Semi is higher, operators can realize significant long-term financial benefits through savings on energy and maintenance costs. Integrating full self-driving technology within the Tesla Semi aims to tackle the ongoing shortage of truck drivers, enhancing logistics while alleviating stress for operators. The Tesla Semi addresses the persistent shortage of long-haul drivers by minimizing stress and fatigue, ultimately enhancing safety in an industry grappling with frequent drowsiness-related accidents. Tesla's Semi is engineered to significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions, conserving millions of gallons of diesel. This represents a meaningful contribution toward combating climate change and enhancing environmental standards. The advanced design of the Tesla Semi is intended to attract a younger generation of drivers, providing a modern driving experience akin to premium electric vehicles. This shift has the potential to reinvigorate the trucking industry amid declining interest from drivers. From tax credits. However, Tesla's pricing strategy is independent of these incentives, especially since the federal EV tax credit concluded in September 2025. The reported production cost of $12,749 represents only one aspect of the price. The final cost is likely to range between $17,000 and $24,000 when factoring in additional elements. Grasping these pricing layers is crucial for making informed purchasing decisions. Moreover, prospective buyers need to recognize that opting for the Model 2 comes with significant trade-offs, particularly in technology and performance. These compromises may ultimately affect the vehicle's overall reliability and efficiency. Additionally, the depreciation rates associated with Tesla's early models can be concerning, losing value at a rate of 25 to 30% faster than more established electric vehicles. This financial reality can greatly influence the long-term ownership value. While Tesla's motors are marketed as eco-friendly, they may not match the efficiency of conventional motors. This discrepancy can lead to real-world performance challenges, such as reduced acceleration and limited range. Furthermore, Tesla's advanced manufacturing techniques could result in increased repair costs following accidents due to their integrated systems. Being aware of these potential expenses is vital for making well-informed purchasing decisions. California's financial support program offers significant incentives based on household income, highlighting the state's dedication to electric vehicle adoption. The program's expansion in November 2025 is expected to amplify its positive effects. Moreover, higher projected residual values of electric vehicles can lower monthly payments, primarily owing to advancements in battery technology and stable production. This financial factor enhances the appeal of owning an electric vehicle. Charging capabilities are pivotal when considering the purchase of an electric vehicle. Home charging presents a much lower cost compared to public charging, offering greater convenience for vehicle owners. The Model 2's innovative unboxed manufacturing process allows for assembly akin to Lego blocks, potentially cutting production costs by 28 to 32%. This contemporary approach starkly contrasts with traditional car assembly methods. In addition, the inclusion of an AI-powered predictive maintenance system in the Model 2 can anticipate component wear, potentially saving owners between $5,500 and $6,500 over a decade. This proactive strategy is a departure from conventional reactive maintenance. Tesla's Grok 2.0 voice assistant enhances user experience by processing natural language commands, allowing drivers to easily manage cabin temperature and navigation. This development effectively addresses previous customer frustrations. The Model 2 provides towing capabilities for a range of activities, countering common criticisms regarding the functionality of electric vehicles. This feature includes the ability to tow trailers for camping or land. Tesla's distinctive manufacturing process integrates only 847 components, which markedly diminishes both complexity and costs when juxtaposed with traditional luxury automobiles that typically consist of over 3,000 components. This innovative approach facilitates substantial financial savings. Moreover, the Model 2 employs an origami technique that significantly reduces material consumption by 67%. This advancement allows the vehicle to achieve aesthetic qualities akin to Lamborghini designs while remaining cost-effective, representing a noteworthy evolution in automotive design. In terms of performance, the Model 2 boasts an exceptional drag coefficient of 0.19, surpassing numerous supercars. This aerodynamic efficiency not only enhances the vehicle's range but also yields financial advantages for owners, underlining the economic viability of this design. Furthermore, Tesla has developed a composite material that is 127% stronger than steel and 45% lighter than aluminum. This remarkable strength-to-weight ratio exemplifies the material's capabilities, subsequently resulting in significant reductions in production costs. The manufacturing process employed by Tesla is characterized by remarkable efficiency, with assembly times for complete vehicle bodies reduced from 847 minutes to a mere 12 minutes. This substantial improvement not only lowers costs but also significantly elevates production capacity. In addition, the Model 2's dual-motor architecture facilitates impressive acceleration and overall performance, all at a competitive price. This configuration reflects Tesla's unwavering commitment to innovation within the domain of electric vehicle engineering, marking a significant departure from conventional automotive design. The dual-motor system also enables regenerative braking, recovering 30% more energy compared to single-motor systems. This capability results in tangible annual savings on electricity costs, particularly benefiting senior drivers. Moreover, Tesla's dual-motor configuration enhances traction and handling by performing 2,000 calculations per second, thus ensuring optimal grip across a variety of driving conditions. This technological advancement significantly enhances the overall safety of the vehicle. Notably, the Tesla Model 2 achieves remarkable acceleration, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.9 seconds, thus positioning itself in direct competition with high-end supercars while remaining accessible to consumers. Furthermore, the dual-motor setup maximizes efficiency and provides an impressive range of 434 miles on a single charge, addressing the needs of practical driving while ensuring convenience for users. This advanced system also offers all-wheel drive, which enhances driver confidence by facilitating ease of handling in diverse road conditions, all while delivering thrilling acceleration. Finally, the durability of the dual-motor setup emerges as a key advantage, as the shared workload between motors mitigates wear and tear. This design consideration has the potential to yield significant savings on maintenance costs for vehicle owners over time. Reliance on federal tax credits, which are no longer available. Prospective buyers must understand that production costs do not directly translate to the final price they will pay. The pricing structure for the Model 2 consists of four distinct layers: production costs, MSRP, incentives, and the final out-the-door price. A lack of understanding of these layers can result in significant financial miscalculations for potential buyers. Tesla's choice to incorporate untested battery technologies introduces risk, particularly regarding cold weather performance and overall battery lifespan. Early adopters may find themselves navigating experimental features without sufficient long-term data. Investing in Tesla's first-generation technology could lead to a depreciation rate of 25 to 30%, significantly higher than established electric vehicle models that tend to depreciate at a lower rate. Although there are potential downsides, Tesla's innovative battery technology aims to reduce total ownership costs effectively. This approach emphasizes strategies that do not depend on federal subsidies or tax credits. States like California, New Jersey, and Massachusetts provide substantial rebates and tax exemptions to incentivize electric vehicle purchases, making them appealing options for potential buyers. These incentives can dramatically lower the overall cost of ownership. Higher projected residual values for electric vehicles like the Model 2 can result in reduced monthly payments to consumers. This financial strategy effectively makes EVs more accessible by lowering leasing costs. Home charging capabilities play a crucial role for prospective electric vehicle buyers. Without the ability to charge at home, costs and convenience can create substantial barriers to EV ownership. Tesla's innovative unboxed manufacturing process simplifies and reduces costs by assembling vehicle sections in a modular way, akin to Lego blocks. This method can lower production costs by 28 to 32%. The AI-powered predictive maintenance system in the Model 2 continuously monitors various sensors, potentially saving owners $5,500 to $6,500 over a decade by addressing minor issues before they escalate into costly repairs. The Model 2 features active energy for superior features. Competitors such as Chevrolet and Toyota provide comparable quality at lower price points. In response, Elon Musk plans to introduce more affordable Tesla models, employing new technologies to broaden market accessibility. This strategic shift aims to make electric vehicles more attainable for a wider range of consumers. Internal reports indicate that the much-anticipated Model 2 could make its debut in May 2026, featuring a distinctive hatchback design. This model seeks to deliver a unique Tesla experience while remaining budget-friendly. This innovative battery offers an impressive range of nearly 500 miles and supports rapid charging capabilities, allowing for substantial range boosts in minutes. Its performance standard has seen disappointing sales, primarily due to its pricing being nearly identical to premium versions that offer